If you've been dealing with hair loss, scalp irritation, or just want that deep, refreshing cleanse, this is the treatment for you. Let's start with scalp care that feels like spa day. Step 1. Deep cleansing. A refreshing cleanse to rid your scalp of impurities. Step 2. Scalp and neck massage. Relaxation level 1000. Step 3. Scaling. Gently remove dandruff and debris with expert hand care. Step 4. Scaling. Deep cleanse and nourish your scalp with a specialized device to strengthen hair from the roots. Step 5. Water cleansing and massage. Wash away stress with a soothing rinse and calming massage. Bonus, you're getting pampered in a full-body massage chair the entire time. Your scalp and soul will thank you. But wait, if you're dealing with hair thinning or hair loss, we've got next-level treatments for you. Next up, PRP Hair Restoration. This treatment uses your own blood, yes, really, to stimulate hair growth and stop shedding. Your platelets are packed with growth factors, and when injected into your scalp, they wake up those lazy hair follicles and get them back to work. Benefits: reactivates dormant hair follicles, strengthens hair, making it thicker and fuller, reduces excessive shedding, boosts overall scalp health for long-term results. It's a quick process, and with just a few sessions, you'll start seeing noticeable results. But if you want even more powerful hair regrowth, there's an advanced option. Stem cell media hair restoration, the ultimate boost for new hair growth and scalp health. Imagine supercharged hair regrowth. This treatment takes stem cell media from the umbilical cord, the gold standard in regenerative medicine, and injects it into the scalp. These powerful growth factors do all the hard work, promotes new hair growth, even in thinning areas, repairs and strengthens weak hair follicles, reduces hair shedding and breakage, creates a healthier scalp environment for long-term hair restoration. PRP and stem cell media work even better together. So if you're serious about hair regrowth, this combo is a game changer. And guess what? There's no downtime. Just relax, refresh, and let your hair do its thing. Which treatment would you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to transform your scalp and hair, book your appointment now.